Oh dear. Destroyer. We will deliver a breathtaking performance where speed and technology blend together, creating an experience without limits. You will be amazed at the power of this single-grip stump harvester. It turns stubborn stumps into shreds in no time. The journey is long and exciting. Remember to like and follow so you don't miss it. With the chainsaw roaring, the lumberjack channels all his strength and skill, each sharp cut sinking deep into the massive cedar tree. The tree begins to tilt, then crashes down with a thunderous thud, creating a stunning fall. The lumberjack's skill leaves everyone holding their breath in anticipation. Known as the forest monster for its superior power, the Cabicote Derivator, TMO, is the next device, specialized in the forestry industry to fell trees quickly and accurately. Usually mounted on forestry machines such as excavators or skidders, this cutting head integrates a saw blade or a modern hydraulic cutting mechanism, making it easy to handle large and hard-stemmed trees effectively. Truly astonishing is the capability of this machine. The 180 to 90 turbo DT stump grinder operates powerfully, effortlessly crushing stubborn tree stumps in an instant. Its strength and efficiency leave anyone who witnesses it in awe. You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The Awi RT-800 faces one of the toughest challenges in the world, a giant tree stump. The powerful machine crushes through thick, tough wood with the sound echoing, creating an impressive display of raw strength. Soon after, the LKT-81 Turbo, a specialized forestry tractor, is famous for its powerful performance in complex mountainous terrain. The chain-covered tire system increases traction, reducing slipping on muddy terrain. The 150 to 200 horsepower engine provides stable and flexible traction when pulling heavy timber, while the front blade helps clear obstacles, opening the way for effective movement. You can't overlook the All-Road, a powerful wood-cutting machine equipped with a 400 horsepower engine and weighing 44,092.4 pounds. With its impressive power, it easily handles massive logs, cutting and grinding them into smaller pieces quickly and efficiently. Don't worry anymore. With specialized machinery for stump removal, every task becomes easy, ensuring your area stays clean and safe without any concerns. The massive crane perfectly combines with the precision of the LogMax 7000 XT on the TigerCat 855. Every movement of the machine is incredibly precise, each log lifted and moved gently, showcasing exceptional strength and finesse. In a small town in northeast Texas, the powerful Freightliner is conquering the roads. With an optimized engine of up to 600 horsepower, the truck runs smoothly and has outstanding capacity, making the transportation of logs simple and efficient.
What did you call that machine? Y1000.
Are you up for the challenge? Log pulling takes place in extreme conditions, where every move is potentially dangerous. Rolling logs, taut cables, roaring machinery. It all makes for a spectacle that is both thrilling and nerve-wracking. As the saying goes, don't judge a book by its cover, and this piece of wood was no exception. It was rough and sturdy on the outside, but inside there was a beautiful beauty. But every time this worker reached for the wood, I couldn't help but flinch. It was a tense, suspenseful moment, and it really scared me. Despite its outstanding power and high capacity, the Ural Polarnix wheels with the OMZ 238 engine are still deeply stuck in thick mud. Mud splashes everywhere as the vehicle struggles to break free, the engine roaring through the harsh terrain, showcasing incredible perseverance and a spirit of conquest. In the noisy atmosphere of the recycling yard, the CBI 5400 crushes wood waste powerfully and efficiently. Piles of wood debris are continuously scooped up, then fed into the grinding system. This scene truly showcases the impressive power of modern technology. Watch as this CBI 6800 BT devours a massive palm tree. The wood grinder operates powerfully, its fans spinning rapidly, sucking the huge trunk into the system. It's a powerful and impressive sight, showcasing the outstanding strength of this machine. Have you ever witnessed such a powerful machine? The Cinnabogan 870M, weighing between 176,000 to 198,000 pounds, is working tirelessly. The material handler skillfully loads the wood onto the truck, while the massive 12 cubic meter bucket unloads wood chips from the ship, showcasing the machine's incredible strength and precision. Let's meet the heavy-duty Machine T40, a true warrior in the forest. With its powerful winch and massive shovel, it effortlessly handles 20 logs. The reliable 4x4 system helps the T40 conquer any terrain, ready for the toughest tasks ahead. This is how you battle on these harsh terrains, with pure power. The heavy machinery uses a winch to pull the timber truck through slippery, muddy, and challenging steep roads. A spectacular display of willpower and engineering in action. You'll be amazed by this sight. The grab hook mounted on the large shredder works in perfect harmony, lifting heavy logs and dropping them into the shredding chamber. The wood is quickly pulled in and shattered, a flawless display of power and technology working together.
Tarafına kereste göndermekte arkadaşlar.
You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this scene. The powerful yard truck is at work, unloading wood rapidly from the truck bed onto the ground. Heavy logs pile up high, as the machinery operates with precision, delivering exceptional efficiency and speed. A symphony of steel echoes through the mountains. The Axer 3340 timber truck, fully loaded with logs from MT, moves steadily, its heavy wheels grinding along the steep road. The roar of the engine mixes with the sound of wood crashing, creating a powerful and mesmerizing industrial scene. Truly impressive performance from this machine. The Hacky Pilk 55 Pro processes firewood quickly and precisely. Each log is cut, split, and neatly stacked in no time. This is the power of modern technology in the wood processing industry. The Dirty South version of the heavy-duty timber trucks stands out not only for its powerful engine, but also for its ability to conquer muddy and harsh terrain. Equipped with a robust engine, strong suspension system, and high-load tires, these trucks ensure the safe and efficient transport of massive logs. This is truly a testament to durability and exceptional performance in the forestry industry. This is the 48C, a product from the East, and let me be clear, forget about those weak splitters. This beast, with its sharp cutting blade, can slice through steel. Wood in, firewood out, boom. It's that simple. Don't be the last one struggling with that old machine when you can own this power.